Today's tutorial is on the easiest way to make a circle skirt with elastic waistband. So the measurements which you need is the hip of the person. So in my case it's 40 inches, and then the length of the skirt is 18.5. This one doesn't have a seam, so there is no need for adding seam allowance. You can only add plus 0.5 inches here for hem right down the skirt. So the waistband length is 40 inches. It's 40 plus 1 inch seam allowance. Then we have the elastic size. Elastic size is 3/4 of this. 3/4 of 40. How to calculate this circumference of waist. Our skirt is going to be like this. So for us to have the radius from there to there, the formula is your circumference, which is equals to the waist, which is 40, divided by 6.28. It gives us 6.37 inches. That is our radius from here. So we put it in the formula. It's going to be C is equals to 2 pi r. So our 40 is equals to 2 by 22/7 times r. If you do all the maths, r is going to be 40 times 7 divided by 2 by 22. That's how we got 6.37. So you add this to 18.5 plus 0.5. So 6.37 plus 19, 25.37. This is how we are going to fold our material. Like this. Today is 29. It's more than 25.37. So if you round off, it's just 25.5. So going this way, you can easily do this. You take this corner and put it here, which means this is the same length. This is where you are going to do the folding. Then if you want, you can cut here to remove the excess. Right side in. Yes, then you fold into 4. Like this. So you use the side where there is no seam here, the side which is not divided. 6.4. You mark here, you go here, 6.4. You mark another one here, another 6.4. You mark here, and then another 6.4 you add here. Right, this is the first method you can use. Then you join here. This is your radius. Then you may use another method, is to just use 25.4. You start from here, 5. Let's say 25.5. You go marking 25.5. You go 25.5 like that. 25.5 like that. Then here. The other thing you can use is when you are using a tape measure, whether you are left-handed or right-handed, put it by the point where you want the thing to be. It's gonna be like this. This is my side. I'm a right-handed person, so I'm turning this like that. This is my waistband. This is my waist. This is my hem. So I will be putting my measurement here, 25.5, and you draw like this. Like this. That's how you do it. So with me, it's already marked. I'm ready to go to cut. I'm sure you can. It's gonna be a volume 1. Then from here I cut the waistband. It's gonna be this our belt, our bend for the skirt. Alright, let's go to the elastic. Then we put it here. Right round. We are going to encase this elastic inside. So 1 centimeter right through. It will make it maintain your 1 centimeter so that it won't have bulges. It is to beat the elastic before stitching it right through. So now we are stitching the top. So you divide it into four corners here, 4 spots. You have to be very careful because this material is a bit stretchy because it was cut on bias. I will mark 4 points. So we attach our inside, the right side, this one here, in place. If you are not able to pull to the next point, it's a good guide. Another point here, you mark. Then we come to the third one. Of putting it vertically is as you are sewing, you are able to pull. Last one, we are going to start from there to join. You are placing the waistband to there, like that. You pull your waistband to fit in. You see, it's already fitting. You pull off this, you pull again to the next point. Now here is the result. Come and overlock. It's attached, so we are overlocking now the waistband under so that you won't cut anything. You are supposed to make the volume of the skirt to be inside where you see it and control it, then the belt under so that you won't cut. Overlock the bottom, or you leave it like that. Yeah, it has to be a narrow hem. You are done with the hem. You attach the belt, the loop hangers, the size at the center back, and the size